Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this filament that is broken and stuck into the filament sensor out. So I have this, I'm not sure if you can see it or if you focus on this. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus. I have a filament broken and it's inside the sensor. And I thought if I can get a needle, so you can see this needle here, and I'm going to try to jam it in there and try to pull that out. This is the only solution I can think of. I don't know if there's a better way. Let me know. But this sensor is only one way. So you can push it in, but you cannot push from the other side out. So the only ways to pull this filament out is from this end. And for some reason, I tried to push filament on top of it, but it's really stuck and it's kind of tangled up in there. So it doesn't go the other direction. So I just needed to get it out. And I think the needle idea just worked. So this is how you get unstuck if that happens to you. This is the piece that was in there, and for some reason that wasn't going in, and I just, you can't feed things from the other end. This is it. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.